We are part of the Welsh heritage. If they hadn't come when they were called, who knows what would have happened.
The Windrush people come here and they nurtured the health service, the railway, and all the government facilities. Yet, the Windrush people have become a surplus to requirement.
They had a shock when they came here as British citizens to be told that they didn't belong. But they didn't let that stop them, and their children and grandchildren and great-grandchildren now, we are all still part of the work they started. We stand on the shoulders of giants.
The Windrush generation has come here to Wales to allow everybody to understand people are people no matter where you come from or who you are.
We get that information in Jamaica that Britain need your help. There is house provided, there is jobs available for each and every one. That's why we leave Jamaica.
They came and gave their all. And thinking about how they've treated us, the government have treated the Windrush.